day. Coffee. What's up, everybody? I am super excited today because today I got a couple packages. Well, actually I got them yesterday, but today I'm going to open them. They're going to help me with this project, something I've wanted for a long time, and I'm really excited about this. So check it out. I got a TIG welder and a plasma cutter and a cart. I got these from Eastwood, and just to right off the bat, they didn't give them to me. They're not sponsoring me. I paid for them. I ordered them. I'm not. There's nothing that I'm gaining by this. I'm just sharing what I purchased to help me do my project, and we're gonna see how they work. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start unboxing. I'll probably put the cart together first, and then we'll get into the other ones. All right, start off with this cart here. Shop is a huge mess from sanding, and unfortunately I still have more sanding to do, but tried to clean it up a little bit. Clean as you go, right? Instructions. Hardware, casters, wheels, Okay, so cart's together. First impressions, seems pretty decent. The casters are pretty thick. The bolts all seem good. Yeah, everything seems all right. So nothing seems real flimsy. I mean, it's not super heavy duty, but it should work for rolling around a welder. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into the fun stuff: the welder, the plasma cutter, the toys. Instructions. I think this is pretty straightforward. You got your unit, and then you've got your torch and wire, ground, clamp, and all that. And there's not a whole lot to it, really, I don't think. Probably some tips and things in here. So I got the VersaCut. What is that? VersaCut 40, I think it is. And here we have the adapter from 220 to 110. The torch, the ground, and then yeah, it looks like some consumables there, and some kind of mask, whatever. So yeah, woo, exciting. Doesn't look like it comes with an air fitting. You know, I have some laying around, but that's kind of a bummer deal, I think. That should be included. I'm just gonna snug that up and then you can hook up the other stuff to it. Alright, so everything's hooked up there. I'm going to go ahead and get the welder out before I mess with any of this stuff. But so far so good. Knife helps. Looks like crisp. Regulator. More stuff in the way. Accessories. Looks like the torch comes with its own little bag. Lose my tungsten there. A couple things of tungsten. The finger control comes on this thing. Looks like it's pretty set up here, pretty close. Okay, so it is all put together. I'm going to run this setup for a while, see how it works, report back to you guys. Don't have a lot of reference. I've not done any TIG welding before. I've done a fair amount of MIG, but no TIG. But regardless, anyway. Here is the setup. So stacked up, everything has a spot and a home. And we're going to run this for a while, like I said, and see how it works. So. Well, as always, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. You can follow us on the Instagram at SV's Auto, and stay tuned for more in this Project Bus series. Make sure you check out the description for links to items that I use, tools that I use, equipment I use to film, and we'll see you next time.